What to do if the washing machine door does not lock? Do error code. As you can see on the washing machine monitor, the error flashes. This error is due to the washing machine door not being properly locked. In fact, by trying to start a program, after pressing the play button we hear a noise caused by the washing machine trying to lock the door. At the same time we also notice the door closing light not turning on and the error code flashing on the display. What we need to do is replace the door switch. After removing the old switch by passing through the drum gasket, we connect the new switch and reposition it in its position. We then block everything with the two tightening screws and try to close the porthole, waiting for a click to return. As a final test we try to launch a program, and verify that the door has been closed by turning on the light.